What's up, y'all? Let's bump the music down a little bit. It's been a minute since we had a stream. Oh, shit. There's already people on here talking. I'm 1 minute late, but that's okay. Y'all know I park in handicap, so I got a little bit of a walk. All right, fade it out, and we're gone. What's everybody been up to, man? Hey, it's been a hell of a week since I've been back. It's been a hell of a week. You got the disclaimer. It's not financial advice. I'm just a dude on my journey down this trip, trying to be something bigger than I am today. And I'm trying to take as many people as I can with me. That means you, because you're here. Okay? So good. Disclaimer off. What's up? I'm Keith. Everybody on the right, in the blue, that's the 786 Assassins. Bad motherfuckers. Don't mess with them, I'm trying to tell you. Welcome to the Crypto After Dark Live. I'm not high on pain medicines or nothing, I promise. Had some dental work done. Face is a little bit jacked up, but I'm good. I'm all right. I got the screen in dark mode tonight. Why? Because I'm feeling real gloomy and dark. I don't know why. I'm just being stupid. Glad to have everybody. Thank y'all for showing up. I want to get right on into it. No reason to bull crap around. You see the XRP chart up here. I'm not calling the name XRP and taking a drink every night, because if that happened, dude, I wouldn't make it through the hour. There's no way. So, hold on. Am I still on mute? I ain't on mute. My shit's working, Jane. I'll turn it up a little bit, though. Hold up. Let me turn my volume up a little bit. Let me turn it up a little bit. There you go. That's a little bit higher than it was. All right. So, anyway, thank y'all for showing up. Let's see who all's in here real fast, shall we? Kelly Slade, what's up? Jeremy, Pops, Jane Doe. I had some dental surgery. Ugh. Let me tell you. I had the worst dental pain that I've ever had. I felt like my head was in a vice. E. Phillips, bro. NASA, space people. Perhaps you've heard of them. That's what we'll do. We'll drink on every Rickyism. If we have a Rickyism, it's a drink. What are we drinking tonight? Oh, blue agave, tequila. I also have some Jim Beam just in case. But I'm on the blue agave tonight. Had White Claws the other night. I'm not sure exactly why people drink White Claws. It's like drinking fizzy water. I'm not sure that there's alcohol in it. Anyway. What's up? Kilo. What's up? Frank. E. Ken. Hey, listen, don't fuck with Electric Ken. That man's making money moves. Canada Matt. What's up, Canada Matt? RWM. What's up, you beautiful bastard? Ryan Rogers. Glad to see you. Ryan Rogers gets a moderator tag. Why? Because Ryan Rogers is a member of the 786 Mafia and the 786 Assassins and the Patreon. What's the Patreon? Patreon.com/Carolina Keith. Why don't you join? You can join us over in the Telegram group where we make all this magic happen every day. How did we know XRP was going to do this? How did we know to buy it when we bought it? How did we know not to buy it? How did we know when to sell it? How did we know? Doesn't make sense, doesn't it? I don't understand. How are you guys so good at this? Well, we have an amazing group of people, and we put our minds together and we come up with some really great ideas constantly, over and over and over and over again. That's how we do it. And you can be a member of that. You can be a part of that. All you have to do, drop your $8 off every month. You put your $8 in, and you get access to our Telegram group. It's awesome. Why not? Plus, all the money gets donated. Next week, we got a big donation coming up. I hope y'all all join in next week, because next week we're giving away money. We're giving away money. So, anyway, that's my spiel on that. Patreon/Carolina Keith. All right, back to the XRP chart. So, we've been waiting on this for a long time. The entire crypto Twitter got rich. Everybody went and bought Lambos. I'm super excited for y'all. I'm glad everybody got their Lambo. It's been a long time coming. Ain't that right, Danny? Everybody's been waiting on their Lambo, and now they got it. Yes, it is, Ken. It's Darth Tequila. What's up, Mullet? $8 a month, we make stacks. I feel you, bro. So we've been waiting on this for a while. Let's dig into exactly what happened and how we could have seen this coming and how we could have sold it and bought it and made the most optimal money for the chart. All right, so we're looking at the weekly chart, and you look at it and you go, oh my God, it just shot up and it's all the way up here at 1618 and yada yada. Let's take that off and let's take a step back, okay? First things first, we had this downtrend that we broke all the way back in August of 20. It failed, and it made this move up, and everybody made some money on this. If you don't remember that, I certainly remember it. Then we had the, the flare snapshot, and the chart took a drop, a hard drop. How big of a drop? Well, we can measure that drop, and it turns out that drop was a 618 retrace. You mean to tell me that this SEC dump was a 618 retrace and a perfect 618 retrace? Well, you're damn right it was. It's not that complicated at all, is it? Right to 618. It was a perfect buy opportunity. That long wick on the bottom of this candle right here, what does that dictate? That dictates buying pressure. Buying pressure. You bounce right off 618, you moved up over the 50, and off we've been ever since. Where was our buy-in? If we're looking at the weekly chart, the buy-in, oh my goodness, way the hell back here. 2 candles over the 8, all the way back in July of 20. You could have bought and been riding this up ever since. Now, you would have sold right here and rebought, I'm sure. We would have worked all that out. But this is the weekly chart. And I always talk about it. Respect the high time frame, okay? Respect the high time frame. And why do I say that? Because the high time frame eventually shows you the answers. And here we are on the high time frame seeing the answers play out live. David R. Welcome, Ryan. Ryan, ugly but knows crypto. That's Ryan's, David's friend. What's up, bro? That's awesome. Thank you for the 10 bones. We'll get that donated out to the Patreons, by the way. Because from now on, all the money will be donated to the Patreons. Oh, how's that sound? You become a member of the Patreons, you got a chance at making money. It's real easy. It's real easy. All right, so weekly chart, we had this red downward breakout. Beautiful, perfect. Let's step down to the daily and just look and see what we got. Here again, same thing. We had this red downtrend. Finally broke, back tested it, and bounced up. It was beautiful. If we look at the 821, we had this buy way back here when we called this buy out 2 days before it actually happened. On the stream, we called this buy. It happened. The buy made off, and it took off, and we made all kind of good percent. I sold up here at 62 cents. I bought XRP for the snapshot, and I sold it at 62 cents, and then all this really nasty, ugly stuff happened. Well, I got off in Tether, luckily, when all this happened, and I was able to move my positions around and buy plenty of other coins. All this madness happened. Chart did this wiggly, wiggly, ugly sideways stuff here, and it formed this inverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, with a clear-cut neckline right here on this blue line. This is a bullish pattern. Okay, not only that, but if we look for our June 19 area, which is right here. That didn't work. Let's do June 19, call out. June 19. Why does this matter? Because we've seen a lot of other coins break this area right here and go above. Well, let's mark this area. What area do we see here? Holy shit. Looky there. Not only did it hit this area, failed to hold it and go underneath it, but it came right back up over it again and started tapping on it again, didn't it? Second time to charm? Sure. This time it didn't fail. This time it held support. Not only did it hold support, but we hopped over the 8 and the 21 right here. And since March 17th, 21, it's been a buy, and it has not been a sell since then. And it's been doing nothing but going up. Almost a month now of up and up and up. And it's still not a sell. I know it's really high, but it's still not a sell. We'll put a fib on it and figure out exactly where it's going to go and where it's not going to go. But again, optimal buy way down here. Let's mark this so people don't bitch and whine. I don't want to hear it. March 17. Buy March 17, 21. Okay. I actually did buy this. I moved some money around and managed to pull it in, get this one going, and I made a pretty good lick on it. I was able to take this money, and I've already sold most of this position off. I think I've got 25% left. I was able to sell this position and move off into other things. So I got my gains, I moved into this, got my gains, I moved into something else. I got a little bit of position left. If you think it's going to keep going some and you don't want to miss out, got that fear of missing out, well, don't take all your profits, just take some. Leave some to the side. That way you have some capital to move around if you'd like. That's what I did. I encourage everyone to do that. Diversify and get your gains, okay? No one ever got poor making gains. Never happened. No one ever got poor making gains. I was actually able to take this money and put it into a bot. And if you don't know about bots, I think it's time you learn. I've told about this before. But 94% of every trade in the crypto market is done via software. It is not done via us. It's not us pushing buttons. It's software pushing buttons. That's right, software that does it for you. Isn't that interesting? Just like the stock market and Forex and commodities and bonds and equities and everything else. It doesn't do it. It doesn't do it via your fingers. It does it via itself. All you got to do is plug it in and go. It's a great source of passive income. If anybody doesn't have 3 commas, I would advise anyone who can get 3 commas to go get it. Go get your 3 commas subscription, and go check out Block Party Trading. Block Party Trading has been super awesome. Subscribe to Block Party Trading. I bought some of their stuff, some of their software, and I'm running it now. It does require a little bit of monitoring, but if you're watching charts like this, you're pretty good at charts anyway, and you're already learning, and you can already make passive income. You put your money in, you click the button, you sit back and watch the dollars come in. It's really not that complicated. BlockPartyTrading.com. Figure it out, okay? Developers are super good guys. They're super nice. They've been extremely helpful. Customer service-wise, which I appreciate the hell out of because I work a customer service job, okay? I can't tell you how nice it is to have someone actually message you back and talk to you one-on-one and not be a dickhead to you or just consult you over to some random robot who doesn't know what you're talking about. It's great. It's wonderful. So, where do I see XRP going? We already had our buy. We already see that it's going up. Well, where is it going to go? So let's pull up a more historic XRP chart, okay? Let's pull up a more historic one and see if we can find out exactly how far and where it's going to go. Let's step all the way back to the monthly on XRP. What do we see? This is the CoinTrader amount of data for XRP. All the way back to, August of 13, way back in the day when no one even knew what cryptocurrency was. So, that's how long XRP's been around. That's how long Ripple has been in the game. I don't give a shit about any of that. All I care about is the money. So either way, we had our fail 786 and our retrace and pop up. We had our fail here and our retrace and pop up. So how far do we think it's going to go? Well, that's what Fibonacci retracement is designed for. So let's start on this top of this uptrend and to the bottom of the downtrend. And what do we got? All right, let's zoom in there. Make sure we got our lines nice and clean and tidy. I don't want anybody whining, messaging me later saying I didn't do it right. There we go. So right now you see, oh, isn't that interesting? It appears as though XRP is hitting right on the 786 line. It's almost like the 786 Assassins or the 786 Mafia. Kind of know what they're talking about. This shit stopped exactly on the all-time 786. That is tits, if I've ever seen it. I managed to sell it at 190 something. Okay? Bam! Sold it, and I was super tickled about it. So, where do I think it's going to go? I think it's got a lot more to go. Do I think it's going to just sprint there and moon soon? No, because if it does, you're going to get a really, really, really nasty retrace. I like the fact that it's taken a while to do what it's doing. Why? Because this solidifies the chart more and locks it up at the higher times and the higher prices, and not so much at the bottom, way down low, okay? This is what we want. We want the chart to stay up high. We don't want it to go in high and come low and go. We don't want that. We want it to stay up there, okay? Believe it or not, everybody thinks I hate XRP, and that's not the case. I just believe there's plenty of other assets, and you shouldn't ever throw all your eggs in one basket. That being said, now's the time to make money on it, all right? So focus and get your gains. I'm excited that everybody made money. I want everybody to be rich with me. I don't want to be the only one that's got money. I want everybody to be rich with me, okay? And if you made your money on XRP, I'm proud of you. I'm not mad at you at all. Now, at some point, you got to sell, because believe it or not, XRP is not a one world currency, and there's not some massive conspiracy to get rid of the dollar and connect it with the gold and all this. Fuck all that. That's not how it works. The chart tells all this. The chart tells all the truth. Okay. Let's see. Squirrel Crypto XRP is worth. XRP is worth far more than the paper in your hand. Good luck, everyone. Yeah. At the moment, it's worth $1.79. So if you have a $100 bill, it's worth far less. So I disagree and agree at the same time. But glad to have you, Squirrel Crypto. Where are you from? I'm glad to see you. I never saw you on here before. And that's a dope name, by the way. That's a dope name, by the way. Yeah, what Kelly said, diversify. There are 5,000 cryptos. If you think one is going to make you rich, all right, listen, it's never good to put all your eggs in one basket. I'll put it that way, okay? Never. There's not a single investor in the world that'll tell you to buy one thing. All right, it's not the way it works. So, again, 786 is hung up right now. Where do I think it's going to go? That's the beauty of Fibonacci retracement, is it gives us a better example of where we think it's going to go. $32. $16, and coincidentally, $9.80. Why do I think it's going to hit these targets? Because over and over and over and over again. Texas. Hey, man, I'm glad to see people from Texas. How'd you hear about us? It's the first time I ever saw you, and I like to know where people came from. That's all. Hey, you're welcome, bro. Listen, I would have streamed on Thursday, but my mouth was a little jacked up. I was slurring my words, and my spit was coming out my side of my mouth and stuff. So it would have been really bad. So anyway, I see XRP going up towards our 1272, 1414, and 1618 lines. Could it possibly breach those? Yes, I think it could. I don't expect that. What I expect is a slow, steady climb up. We hit this 786 line. In my opinion, there's a solid chance that it comes down some and catches some support on the weekly or the daily charts. Nothing wrong with that. That would actually be a good thing because, again, if we can check on support as we go up, it solidifies the chart more, and there's more of a chance that that chart will stay up high. We bounced off 182, 190, 190-ish area. It's a nice flat round number, and $2 is actually more round in my opinion. So I would assume that it would touch $2 and then pull down because it's a psychological number, a nice round number. But again, 886 is at 258, so it could get hung up there at 258. We'll see what happens. There's some weekly resistance at like 340, but gosh, that's way up there. It hasn't touched the top of this inverse head and shoulders here, and quite often charts touch the top of that. We'll see what happens. Again, this is pretty close to a 1618. Actually, by this chart, it is a 1618 touch. That would say, no. Sorry, dog barking. That would say that, you know, roughly it's tapped out on the weekly. I hate to tell you that it is, and I think it's got more juice left in it, but the daily is pretty overextended, and the weekly is pretty high. Now, we saw others stay up there and idle and go higher and higher and higher. That's great and all, but I'm telling you, it'd be better if it checked support on the way up. I wouldn't sell until I saw a chart throw me sell. This is a long way from the 8 EMA. The green line right here, the green line is the 8 exponential moving average, and the purple is the 21 exponential moving average. And it's a good bit away, so it's tough to say. I'm going to hang in there with it until I see it go a little farther. If I see it fall down and break, break that 8 at 140 or something like that, I'll sell it. I'm well in the profits, and I'll find something else to ride on. No big deal. Let's see what y'all are talking about. Yeah, 120. Yeah, the 120 isn't impossible. Absolutely, because you got support there. There's support at 108. There's support at 135-ish. So, it's a solid chance it gets hung up there if it does fall back. These high time frame fibs have played out extremely accurately on multiple charts across everything. Okay, all the way down to Bank of America or UCAD, doesn't matter. High time frame charts consistently show out. Let's see. Yeah, XRP isn't so speculative. I see some chunky moves up. Yeah, I don't think it's speculative at all. I think it's 100% technical. I don't think because basically, I mean, there's one or two exchanges in the U.S. that are even selling it. 95% of their business is Asia and overseas. It's not even us. It's all bots. There's nothing you can do about it. Once you start to understand that software trades are the majority of the trades, you start to realize that you're not in control of any of this. You should just play the technicals and not worry about anything else, which is the whole purpose of this channel. This whole purpose of this channel is technical. Nothing else. Nothing else really matters. All right, let's see. I think 275 is the last resistance. If we follow 2017%, yeah, forget 2017. It's not 2017. Don't even think about 2017. It's not. It's nothing to do with 2017 at all. 2017 was 2017. 2017 is not 2021. The market is completely different as then. Anyone who's comparing 2017 to 2021 is living in the past. And I'm going to go ahead and tell you from personal experience, living in the past gets you absolutely nowhere, okay? Follow the technicals. The technicals don't lie. Everything else does. People lie. News lies. Twitter lies. The charts doesn't lie. The chart tells the truth every time. All you have to do is find the answers, okay? Moonshot. Yeah, no moonshots. That's no moonshots. I don't do moonshots. I don't do moon boy stuff. None of it's real. None of it's real. Absolutely none of it. XTC up to, yeah, XTC's been crazy. Listen, you can't do the cold. Hey, you know what? It's weird here. I know you're in a warm climate, but it's an interesting time of year here where I'm at. It's 85 degrees in the afternoon, and it's 50 in the morning. And you think, oh, 50 is not cold, but damn, when it's that big of a temperature swing and the dew's on the ground, it's pretty cold. Yeah, I don't care about any of that 2022 compliant crap. I don't care. None of it matters. All these charts are technical. None of the other stuff matters one bit. If you followed the chart, I'm going to tell you right now, if you followed the chart and you bought and sold the technicals, what did Ken just say? You made money. You made money. If you worried about crypto Twitter and what they were going to say, and you worried about whether or not the SEC was going to do this, and nobody gives a fuck, you didn't make anything. Matter of fact, you lost money. You lost money. If you were worried about what the SEC was doing, you lost money. Who cares? You should have already sold before that SEC news ever came out. You should have already bought based on the chart before any of that ever happened. And this goes for XLM, this goes for ADA, VET, Ontology, EOS, Algo, all of them. It doesn't matter. It goes for all of them. That being said, let's get off of this chart because this chart makes people emotional. I can feel the emotions in the chat already. People are getting emotional and say moonshot. People are going utility. I don't give a fuck about utility. I don't care. None of it matters to me. And if you wonder about utility, please tell me Doge's use case. I want to know what Dogecoin's use case is. Somebody please show me utility on Dogecoin. That would make me super happy. If Dogecoin... Oh, I'm glitched out. If Dogecoin utility would come through and give me an example of the real world use case for it, then I'll start worrying about all that stuff. But until then, I don't care. I only want to make money. I'm not here to make friends with Brad Garlic Bread. I'm not here to make friends with Elon. I smell like Musk. I don't care. I'm here to make money, purely money, no emotions. Emotions make bad decisions. Charts don't care about emotions. Now, let's get on to some other stuff. Let's get on to ADA here, which has been an amazing looking chart. It's been an amazing looking chart. Did the similar move here. This was the June 19 area right here at the top of this pink box. Same move, popped over, bounced around on top of support, and was able to break loose, made another wedge, popped right out of that wedge, and has done nothing but bullish moves all the way up. Now, interestingly enough, we're hitting this, this kind of this triple top here where it's failing to break support, failing to break resistance, which it hardly has any of, by the way, because it's flirting with all-time high over here on ADA. What we're getting here is really, really, really close to another breakout, extremely close to another breakout. And if it breaks out again, we're looking at $1.80 on ADA. ADA I've been on since early 2019. I've been hollering about ADA. So you know, some of this stuff doesn't, some of this stuff has been fairly obvious. It's just everybody's missed it because we've been hung up on certain coins. And I don't do that. MTV, oh my God, MTV's been a crazy chart, bro. MTV's made so much people money. Yeah, he said, I do TA while I'm wondering. We knew it was going to 188. Absolutely. Yeah, bro, look. When I saw it go up there and hit that number, I was like, yep, I'm setting my sell line at 190. And it hit 190 something or other, a little bit over 190. So I didn't hit the exact top. But I had my shit set for 786. I was ready for that. If it keeps going, that's fine. I have some left over. I didn't cash all of it out. I just took some of it out. That's called taking profits. If you don't know how to take profits, you're never going to make money. So, got to make money. Got to take your profits. Bread, garlic bread. That's right, bro. Everybody knows about bread, garlic bread. If Elon likes Doge so much, why don't he take it for his cars like BTC? That's perfect, Frank. Musk and garlic bread. They don't know about Musk and garlic bread, bro. Doge is up 14x compared to XRP 7x. Utility don't matter. TA matters. Follow the charts. What did he just say? Dogecoin is up 14x, and XRP is up only half that. If you bought Dogecoin at the beginning, you made money. I love my you made money flashy thing. That's dope. Yeah, KuCoin's an awesome exchange. I like it. Garlic bread. Stupid, bro. Is Charles Heineken the CEO of ADA? I don't know. But if Mojito Tequila was, I'd be giving him a drink right now. Let's go. Let's see. KuCoin is where the profits are made for me. Yeah, KuCoin has been great. KuCoin's got such terrible coins. Again, they have zero utility, zero use case, zero compliance, zero any of that bullshit. No one's ever even heard of them, but the charts are up thousands of percents. Why is that? Well, what it comes down to, again, one more time, folks, is that you're not in charge. You don't control nothing. You don't control anything. It's all software. It's software-generated trades that are doing this, okay? And you're just riding the waves. You don't have to understand that, but just know that it's the truth. And I don't make this bullshit up, okay? We're running bots just like they are now, okay? My bots are running in the background almost constantly now. So, honestly, I make way better on trading manually than I do with bots, but that's not the point. The point is I don't even have to touch them. They make money without doing anything, which is great. So it's a magical thing. Oh, what shirt do I got on? You know what shirt I got on, bro? The 786 Assassin shirt. If you like a shirt, just go get one. Where are they? They're on Redbubble. Maybe you should look in the classroom. What is the classroom? Well, let me explain to you. We have a whole site set up for people who would like to go buy shirts. You just click on the classroom to enter. Oh, we got merchandise. Is that crazy or what? T-shirts? The hell you say? Look at all these T-shirt designs. My favorite, not even close, is the Slob XRP and the Rec City Rockers shirt. It's by far the best shirt. By far the best shirt. If you're going to buy one, get this one, in my opinion. It's got such good detail. And the accuracy is so close. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. All right, so that was just real quick. That's on redbubble.com, or you can click on the classroom right here, and I'll shoot this in the chat. Paste. Bam. All right, now let me move on to something else here. I'm going to go back to some ADA stuff here. I want to go real quick. Let's go to this ADA all-time chart. I saw you right there, brother. I'm going to look at that chart for you right here in a second on EOS, because I got a good bit of EOS as well. Here we go. ADA's all-time chart. It's broken all-time high, and it's threatening to go toward $4. So, again, warning on ADA. Warning, the high time frame has the answers. You're looking at $4 on ADA, $7 on ADA, and $16 on ADA. You don't have to like it, but you better learn to love it, because it's going to happen. All right, let me get to what you guys are asking. I'm sorry. I get off on rants. Let's see. Well, that's what I mean. If the TA is respected as it normally is, take the percent 2017 that easily bring us to 13 to 20. Bots trade at somebody. Yeah, I mean, I get what you're saying, but the easier way to do it is just look at the fibs. I don't disagree with what you're saying, but I think the easier way to do it is just look at the fibs, because the percent from 2017 was 300,000%. If you do 300,000% now, that's going to put you roughly at like $300 a coin, and I don't even want to hear that bullshit. That's stupid. One step at a time, right? So if we're not worried so much about, you know, where we're going to buy and sell and buy and sell and buy and sell, and we're worried about how far it's going to go, we get lost in the emotions. We need to worry about the right time to buy and the right time to sell, and everything else is going to kind of play out on its own, okay? We just need to find our spots with our fibs and be ready. Find our spots and be ready. Let's look at EOS. Correct, EOS. I like EOS a lot. Hey, what's up, by the way, Shane Holland? Never seen you. Where you from? Glad to have you. Glad to have you. How'd you hear about us? All right. We found EOS a while back. We've been talking about it for a long ass time. Now look at this. Clean breakout of this downtrend on the monthly chart. This is the monthly. Clean breakout. It smashed right through the 50 fib. It smashed right through the 618 fib. Will it stop? I think so. Why? Because this is the June 19 area. We've seen about 300 other tokens hit the exact same spot and hesitate. Okay, some of them blow through, some of them come back down and check the top. We're going to find out one way or the other. But I'm already in EOS and I'm going to stay in it. Either way, you know what? Let's take this all-time high fib off, because we can see what our targets are for this. Let's mark these real quick, and then we'll move on to going down here lower and see if we can find a better in and out, because I think it's going to hesitate up here a little bit. Get that feeling anyway. So yeah, $140 in the end on EOS, but we got a long way to go before that happens. So let's step down to the daily here. We had this marked with the arrows. It went exactly where we thought with the arrows. It's pretty spooky. We got a new fib we can draw right here on this low to high. Right here. As you see, we broke through 1272. We broke through 1414, which is right where 618 all time was. These fibs lined up, this 1414 and this 618. They lined up, which tells me that's more of a stubborn spot. And then there's a 1618 right above the June 19 area at 870. So I would assume 870 next. And if it can hit 870 and check down on top of, you know, $8, $7.50 again, that'd be great, because that would give it a chance to build up some more momentum and get moving. Because if you look at the indicators, we're getting overextended. RSI is about overbought. Our MACD's pretty damn high. And if we look at the 8 and the 21, we're way up, hitting the top of the bands. I mean, it's screaming high. Can it go higher? Yes, I believe it can. I believe it's got more in the tank. So EOS is a legacy coin. The legacy coins have appeared to go last, which is awesome, because you could have gotten a lot of other money in there before the legacy coins actually started moving. So I think 870 and then a check on 8, and then possibly moving up towards $12 eventually. All time, I think we're going to go around $100 to $140. That's way up there. I know it's going to take a while to get there, but I think it will happen. What bot do I use? It's blockpartytrading.com. They're really good guys. Go over there, blockpartytrading.com, and check them out. You have to subscribe. It's worth the money. You make it back in a day. I'm not in control of everything, and I'm smart enough to know I'm not in control of everything. And if people are smarter than me, I want to hear what they have to say. I don't come on here to be a know-it-all or an asshole or anything like that. I come on here to talk straight, shoot the shots, not bullshit anybody, and give you 100% clear technical analysis. And I don't want to confuse anything else. So when I say there's people who trade better than me, there are. And if I say someone's got a bot that can trade faster, smarter, and quicker than me, well, why the fuck wouldn't I want to hear what they got to say? I want to know what you got to say. And they have it. You have to pay for it, but it's worth it. I'm telling you. You make your money back really quick. It's worth the money. And again, nice guys. Let's see. Also, like Frank said, there's lessons on the YouTube channel. If you go back and look at the, the classroom here, we have live streams. We have instructional videos. What are the instructional videos? Well, the instructional videos are an entire list of how to help you learn how to chart. All these different videos. It's very simple. Watch them in order if you want. Watch them all you want. They're free. I want you to learn. All right. Oh, excuse me. Got a burp in there. Dustin Dayo. Holy shit, bro. 100 bones? Dayo. The motherfucking legend, Dustin Dayo. There you go. That's for you. BTT and Dent. I should wait a couple days and Chili's. Yeah, we can look at those. All right. Let's see. British Columbia, Canada. I hate randomly found you. Oh, I'm glad you found me though, Shane, dude. We got a couple guys from Canada in here. Glad to see you, bro. 3 Coiners working with coin. Yeah, I think so, Robert. Let's see. No, I don't believe 300. I'm realistically sorry. No, I don't believe 300. I'm realistically sorry. Not trying to come off as a... Oh, no. You're fine, bro. I want to hear what everybody's got to say. Even if I don't agree, or if you don't agree with me, it's fine. I just want to hear what everybody's got to say. I'm cool with it. All right, so let's see. What's up, Trauma? What's up, Rug? What's up, my guy? I made loads on VET, and I got a money grip on OEOs. I'm fully with you, bro. I've already sold my VET and moved on to something else because there are other charts with more potential. But I think there's a lot of money to be made either way. Let's see. To the new members, welcome. That's right, Darth. Thank you, bro. Bullish CEO with the fire. What's up, my guy? Glad to see you. Look at here. What Crypto Trauma right here said. That's my cousin Jeremy. I'm up 7,000% on my portfolio since February 3rd. So in 2 months and some change. All the vids and content from the channel and group. Your $8 Patreon charge is a meager investment to the knowledge you'll gain. In 2 months and some change, he's up 7,000%. Now, I'm not saying that you should do it, but Jesus Christ, listen to what he just said. Okay, it's not that complicated. Rug is for rehab, is for quitters. Rug's great, bro. If you got time to sit on the toilet, you got time to chart. What that man just said right there. Electric Ken knows what's up. All right, so let's get over to DNT because Deo asked. Yeah, okay. Dent's rolling over a little bit here, Deo. I think it's going to catch the 50 EMA. 50 moving average, which is right now right in line with the bottom bands at 007. So I would wait out on Dent here until we get a better buy. It's starting to show me sell. If it closes under here, that would be the first sell marker on DNT. What else did you say? BTT. Right there. We're getting a similar thing here on BTT, except BTT is still okay. It's in the wait a minute zone, and it's trying to breathe. The bands are catching up really quickly, trying to squeeze in here. The RSI's falling. MACD rolled over, so it's not a buy at the moment. But, I mean, if you're in it, stay in until it's a sale. It's not quite a sale. If it drops under 007 and closes, that would be a sale, in my opinion. It's right on the bitter edge. It's in the wait a minute zone, so you don't have to panic or anything. And CHZ. Yeah, CHZ's been a hell of a chart, too. A bunch of people in the group made money off CHZ. So much money getting thrown around. Okay, now this is the opposite, Deo. Look at here. This one's actually showing you that it wants to go again. This one's hopped up over the 8 and the 21, and it's showing you it wants to go again. Look, man, that's a check on top. That's probably going to bounce one way or the other. And if it does fail, you got the 50 down here at 39 cents, 40 cents. This looks like it may go again, CHZ. Watch out. That's all I'm going to say. It is a buy at the moment. It is a buy at the moment. Let's see. TRX. Yeah, my bad. Somebody else asked for TRX too, and I missed it. My fault. Ooh, look what TRX is doing. Similar chart to others. It's this massive cup. It's going to make a handle here at some point, but goodness gracious, what a cup it's made so far. It's beautiful, beautiful rounded cup. It's getting sniped at 786 right now. If it can hold up here and get over 1516 to an even 16 cents and close through the week, that'd be awesome because 22 cents is your next target. And my goodness, once it keeps going, dude, you're looking at $4 for TRX, which is crazy because I just used TRX today to buy something. And the fact that you would pay, God almighty, 400% higher for or whatever, that's a crazy higher percentage number for TRX. Let's measure that percent. And we'll figure it out. All right, so down here to the top, he has 2,500% left in TRX. At least 2,500% left in TRX, which is interesting. I'm here for all of it. I got some TRX. I'm in it. I'm in it. Dapped. Boy, what a wild looking chart that is. I'm not going to count that ridiculous wick because a lot of times they don't matter. But damn, look at this thing go, man. It looks like it's got 0.17 in its sight and 0.2, 3 cent flat. Damn, 3 cent flat for dapped. That's crazy. That thing took off and went, didn't it? Bounced off of R3 and did the R3 boogie. Man, oh man. Beautiful looking chart. If you're in this, it's still a buy. I'm pretty sure. Yep. Yeah, man, that's breaking out too. Good. That's 3 cents on the way on dapped. VET. Let's pull up the VET chart. Sold some and moved into VET. What do I think? Man, I think VET is screaming high. Screaming high. I had this box marked, and look what's getting hit. 17 cents on VET. That's getting close to, shit, I got to get on this computer and, that's getting close to take profits. All right, yeah, I've got a little bit of VET that I didn't sell, and that's getting right close to taking profits. So I'm going to have to get on there and monitor that. I've got separate accounts set up. You know what I'm saying? Separate accounts, and that's one of them. I've got that set up to sell right there. Shit. Okay, I got to get on there and do that after the stream. What about hot? I don't know. You tell me, Jane. What about hot? What about it? Oh, shit. I'm on my bullshit. Don't listen to me. If you've never been on this stream before, I joke just as much as I chart. Please don't take me seriously unless I'm talking about money, okay? Don't get in your panties in a bunch. Don't get in your feelings. I'm just here to have a good time, okay? I'm so sick of the other YouTube bullshit where you see someone sit on there and talk about all the use cases and the people behind the scenes work. I don't fucking care. No, you'll never meet any of those people. Those people do not buy and sell the chart. Those people get paid in dividends. They don't matter. All that matters is the chart. So I set out to do this, to create a charting system that worked, that everyone could easily learn and do it for free and quit giving you bull. And I think that's what we've done. I think we're doing a pretty good job of it, okay? So everyone here in this chat that's talking, they're making good money. All right. All the people in blue right there, just know there's a bunch of money getting made, okay? I'm not going to talk about people's wallets because that's a shitty thing to do. Good money flying around. Hot's really high. It's kind of overextended, and I think that's going to pull down a little bit here. I'm going to bet it comes down to 0.13 before it catches up. So it's got a little bit of falling to do, I think. It's got to breathe. It needs to catch its breath. It's kind of topped out. All right. Flare Spark Moonshot. What's up, bro? It's a terrible YouTube name. Terrible YouTube name. But you asked XRP descending wedge. Well, let's look and see. I don't think so. No, that's not a descending wedge at all. That's a cup and handle and an inverse head and shoulders that's going up, and it's going to retest. You probably mean on the low time frame, and I'm going to encourage you to get off of the low time frames. Stop looking at anything less than the daily. Start on the monthly, then do the weekly, then do the daily. And that's all you need to make money. Okay, that's all you need. Anything else is just going to make your head hurt and irritate you because it doesn't do what you want it to do, and the chart bounces around and makes you mad. So if you just take that off your repertoire and focus on the monthly, weekly, daily, all the rest will fall into place for you, I promise. You'll be way less stressed out and way more accurate. And you won't need to guess. What did Frank just say? All those other bullshit YouTube channels get paid for clicks and minutes watched. And y'all are going to say, well, you do the same thing. Incorrect. I give all the money away. So kiss my ass. How about that? Name the other YouTubers who are out here just giving all the money away. It's not happening. As a matter of fact, there's a lot of people who take the money and take the money and take the money and take the money, and they just regurgitate shit out on YouTube and just regurgitate trash and still get money given to them, which is whatever, it's y'all's prerogative, but I don't get it. So, let's see. Let's see. Myth. Ooh, we talking about Mithril. We talking about Mithril. Listen, this is one of my girls right here, okay? She's doing what she's done before, bouncing off of the 8, fading, and then hitting the 21. Is it going to do this again? It kind of looks like it is going to do it again, doesn't it? Let me move some of this shit out of the way. I got so much stuff on the chart. Obviously, you see what it says here. I bought down here, and I sold here for $14,000 profit. Yes, that really happened, of which I moved into a trading bot. The money is continuing to compound right now for me without me doing anything. I locked my profits in. I would encourage you to lock your profits in as well. Okay? Lock your profits in. Make your money and get out. It is rolling over on the MACD. I don't like that. RSI is a bit high. I don't like that. Looking at the weekly, though, there's a good chance it tests support and moves again. So let's give it a little bit. It's not quite a sell yet. It's in the wait a minute zone. And we'll see if it can hold it or not. If it can't hold it, I'll be selling what little I have left. I sold most of mine already. CRV. Oh, boy, Ken. I don't know if they want to see the CRV chart, my guy. I don't know if they want to see the CRV chart. Are you ready to have your feelings hurt? All right. So right now, CRV on the monthly chart has almost nothing. This is it. You got this downtrend up and hovering over the 8, which is very bullish, okay? This is very bullish. What's going to happen next? Well, in my opinion, this is going up. How far do I think it's going up? Well, the 1618 is all the way up $1,321 for CRV. Current price, $319. I said $1,321. That is a 44,000% increase. Now, are you going to do that? Up to you. I'm not telling you what to buy or what not to buy. I simply like to point out the charts with the most percentages. And this bitch has a lot of percent. Okay? Do whatever you want. Do whatever you want. I see it going to at least $4.30. At least $4.30. So if you're in now, you see it kind of pretty. Daily. Let's zoom on in there a little bit. As you see, we got this consolidating heartbeat kind of rhythm here. Same thing that Algorand, Pundi X, and a bunch of other charts did. Same motion. It's sitting over top of the 8 and the 21. It appears to be turning green. I don't want to hear it. Keith is going to put a leverage trade in on this one. Okay, let's see. A bunch of people are texting this shit out of me. Hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. Hold up. Hold up. Hold up, hold up. Oh, shit. Travis is on here. He just didn't talk. Dogecoin, I got you, bro. Real quick, let's do Doge. Because people want to buy Dogecoin. I fucking don't know why. But people want to buy it. There's so many other things to buy, and people are buying Dogecoin. All right. No, I see it could go to 13 or 15. All right, hang on. Let me text him. Much better charts available, though. All right, so yeah, Doge has had another breakout, and it's heading toward 1618 again, and it could go all the way up to 21, but that's a tough call. So I would say it's got at least 13 cent, 15 cent in it for sure. So if you're in Doge, there's another opportunity for you. Back to CRV. Yeah, that looks like that's turning the corner, and making moves here. So Keith is going to put a leverage trade in on that one while I can, because I see a 40% funding rate. Oh my God. Why don't they just settle me up next time they ride me? My God. I'm going to do it. Let me jump over here real quick on the futures chart. Yeah. It's still got juice, so I'm not going to panic on it. All right, yeah. So CRV's got big potential here. I don't think I need to explain that 44,000% is a lot. Okay, that's a lot. Let's see, RVN, Raven. Yeah, we hadn't talked about Raven in a long time. Ooh, look at this thing boiling. Oh my goodness. Here's a beautiful chart, everybody. The bands are tight. It's over the 821. You got an 821 cross up. The MACD is turning up. The RSI is pointing up. Watch out for Raven. What's the high time frame say? Ooh, it's in a pennant too. Hey, I like this one. Who brought this one up? Jeremy, bro, this one looks great. Look at this thing boiling. That's a pressure cooker. That is a pressure cooker. Right there, yep. At least 219, and if it can break up there at 26 cents, gosh, you're looking at 39 cents on Raven. Boy, that's a good-looking chart, Jeremy. That thing's got 200, 300x potential there for you again. By the way, Jeremy's one of the best on here. Y'all can kiss my ass if y'all don't think so. How much percentage does Nano have? Let's have a gander at it. We got a couple more minutes here. We'll get some more in. Pull up the weekly. Oh, you got plenty of Nano. It's got juice. So, yep, we're sitting right at the 618 right now. So this could get sniped out, but it's okay. It's sitting on top. I like that, sitting on top like that. That's not failing. That's okay. Get up over that 618 and you're cleared to go all the way to $13. But there's plenty of more percentage in this. It's got a lot, actually. Yeah, 12,000%. That's more than XRP. It's more than XRP. Nano has 12,000% available. Whew. May take a while to get there, but you know, yeah. I'm guessing you've done BTC tonight. Nope, sure haven't, but we can look at it. There we go. Here is the Bitcoin monthly. We've shown this a bunch of times here, but this is the first beautiful breakout over the midline to the top of the channel, parabolic move, and then you had another fake out to the midline to the bottom of the channel, and now it's broken the midline again. Is it going to hit the top of the channel? Ooh, tough to call. But what we can do is we can pull fibs on it and find out, okay? What we've got right now is, on the monthly, is hitting right at the 1618. What did it do over here? Over here, it actually hit the 2 line. It hit the 1618 and then bounced off and hit the 2. Well, the 2 line would be, we don't have it up here for some reason because the fucking fibs aren't on there. But let's put it on there too, okay? Yeah, 2 lines all the way at 128, 293. Whew. That's a long way, isn't it? Now, I also want to caution you because it hasn't tested this midline. And history speaks for itself. It has. Here it's tested the midline, multiple tests of the midline, tested the midline twice here. Hasn't done that yet here. Okay, is that possible? Yeah, I think it's possible. It very well may just keep pushing though. I wouldn't sell until you get that sell signal. If we look a little closer at the daily here, you see that it's got a clean parabolic breakout. It's the same parabolic move that it's been doing. Consolidation with a pop. Right here. Yeah, see, you're over 1618. You're clear to 65.5, 67, and 70,000 now on Bitcoin. I can pretty much lock that in. Let's do that so the next stream someone can complain and say, you didn't say the numbers. And I'll just put this here so when it actually does hit it, I can make sure I stick my middle finger up at that same person. It'll probably be Nick because, you know, that's Nick. And you know how those Buffalonians are, bro. Yeah, Bitcoin, I see at least 70 grand here. How's that feel? How does 70,000 BTC make you feel? Makes me feel pretty fucking good. I don't know about y'all, but I like making money. Let's see. All right. For Beverly, one harmony, then we'll get off here, okay? Because don't think I forgot about Miss Beverly. I ain't forgot about you. I ain't forgot about you. All right. I know this looks like a highlighter, and that's fine. But what happened here was this thing did a beautiful cup, made a handle, popped up, and hit 1618, dead on the fucking nuts. Look at that. Right on the nuts. TA doesn't work, though, does it, y'all? TA doesn't work. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We have use case, okay? Brad Garlic Bread. Okay, if you played this chart, you made money. You made money. One Harmony did great. I think it's there's a chance Beverly that can hang out right here on top of 1414 at 11 cents and some change, or we could fade back all the way down to 7 cents. So I want you to be careful here. I think a lot of the juice of this one's probably already got used up, so I would wait it out a little bit and find out. Just be careful. There's a lot of other charts that have more percentage than this one available at the moment. Daily speaking, it's not a buy, it's a sell. It's a sell on the daily. All right, so look. Thank y'all for showing up. That's been an hour. It's 11:58. I have some new people on here. I appreciate the shit out of y'all new people showing up. Shane, awesome having you on here, bro. Squirrely, thank you, my friend. I appreciate you showing up. I don't know. That's the beautiful thing about this stream, though. It doesn't matter if you agree or disagree. I don't care. I want to hear what everybody has to say. No one is hated here. I want to hear every opinion that I can because I want to know if people know more than I do. Don't matter if we agree or disagree. We're all here to make money together. I want to see everybody here back here on Thursday. Tell your friends. Like it, share it, subscribe to it. Get the fucking word out. The more people we have, the more money I can give away. Y'all new people have never seen me give away money before, but we're going to give away money next week. We're going to give away $1,000. We're going to give away $1,000. The person who's getting it doesn't even know they're getting it yet, but they're gonna, okay? So pay attention. Be back next week. We're going to give away $1,000 live, okay? Thank y'all. Jennifer Couch, didn't know you were on here. Thank you for showing up. Come back Thursday, same time.